Hello friends, I'm Passable. Welcome back. Today I have a special treat for you. Are you feeling dirty? Do you like it dirty? I know you like to get it in deep and dirty, and today we're gonna get dirty. That's right, I know you like it dirty. Which is good, because we're gonna get dirty. Yeah, there's work to do. It's dirty work. Yeah, I'm at my witchy friend's house. She's a witchy taxidermist and she is on a budget. And as you can see, there's some dirt. French drain in the basement here. Needs to go down that hole. Water go down the hole! well, you know, there's some rot and some other bad things happening here. And, you know, without getting too much into their business, you know, they don't have the money to just throw around, have someone else come in and do all this work. So in exchange for a few lovely meals and in consideration of a friend, well, a friend in need is a friend indeed. So I will be using some of my plumbing expertise and the help of their daughter to see what the heck we can do, and maybe I'll tell you about it. You know, when by the time we're done, we're gonna be nice and dirty. Oh, fluids are gonna get splashed everywhere. So we're gonna get started. Yeah, the concrete is thin enough that I can break it with a hammer, which is great. And luckily, it's right on top of mud, which is always nice to find, what you'd expect. But there's also blue shale, and then this concrete over here, right in front of the drain, like in a square here, as far as I can tell, is about 4.5, 5, maybe 6 inches thick. But over here, it's like they put it on like icing on a cake. So, and then I'm hitting the blue stuff here, and it's gonna get thick. I can feel that's like the edge of where the concrete gets thick. So we've got to get this giant block of, oh no, not yet. We're getting pretty close. We've got to get all the concrete around this drain off so I can take, there's a 90. This fitting here is a 90. It goes down, and there's probably a sewer line that goes this way, or it might be leaving the house. I think maybe it's leaving the house. I don't know why it's turned in that particular direction. We didn't camera it. We got to dig it up either way because I don't think it's trapped. Blah, 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 plumbing stuff. We're in Washington County, Pennsylvania, fallow field. And the things that they did to this poor old house are shameful. But, you know, that's not our responsibility. We're just going to make this water go away. Because water brings mold and bat and insects and stuff we don't want. I need like a jackhammer for this shit. Got a jackhammer around here? Of course not.
No, I don't think so.
I've got the jackhammer. So I've got a block of concrete, thick, about yo big, that I gotta get. Maybe if I go this way, if I go all around it, maybe I can get it to lift. Maybe I can just lift the whole thing out without breaking it up. That's what I'm gonna try next. See, I can go right, look at this, I can just follow this edge. Isn't that exciting? With my super arms. My arms are going to be jello. My meds are kicking in real good though, so I can't feel a thing. But on the way home I'll be like, oh my god, what did I do? I'm stupid! Damn it, that's not going to work. Let's see. We'll try. I found an edge earlier, right around here. I went all around it. Back here. A bigger briar. Maybe one of those 16-foot joists on the edge of this puppy. We found a pickaxe. Isn't it special and sweet? And I found this. Bend over. Alright. And then we can... I don't know how we're going to do this. Let's see. his crack pans is all fucking jacked. It's moving, isn't it?
Oh, teensy bit? A little bit? I don't think the shovel's going to withstand that.
Yeah. Not too much of that.
You okay?
I'm fine.
Oh,
How you like me now? Did you strip it out? It moved. I got some. I got big piece. Look at that.
oh wow.
That ain't that isn't an inch thick. That's a chunky. That's a chunky one. I found a chunky piece.
Oh, jeez.
Sorry.
Oh my god, I can hear it hitting the roof. Or not the roof, but the ceiling.
Yeah, I can feel it hitting my uterus. Right in the uterus.
Yeah, I'm gonna move this light back a little. And then push that like so.
Get my butt. Get my butt cracked a little bit. It's just a wet. I just have just a wet ass. There's no question about it. It's just wet. Wet bum. Okay.
Got that swamp butt.
Hyperventilating. Ow. Hit myself in the dick. Come on. There you go. Shit. It's, every time I hit it, it splashes water right in my crotch. It's wonderful like that. It's going. I think it's actually, the whole thing is actually moving at this point. Yeah. We didn't get it off. We just got the top off of some of it. Is that dirty enough for you? Do you like it wet and dirty and muddy? Subscribe to my channel now for more dirty content. Yeah, I want to see this bitch do plumbing naked. Subscribe me up. There we go. That's...
Dang.
That goes in like gravel and turns to stone. There we go. Look at that. A big piece out of there.
Oh, dang.
Y'all. I haven't found the pipe yet. But it almost surely is right here because the ground is pretty easy to dig. Away.
Oh, jeez. Holy crap.
What?
Just all that mud and... Just to think that that's just what's been chilling under our house.
Oh. What do you think? It was going to be down there. Stone. Find out what the heck is going on here if I can. I mean, the pipe clearly pretty deep. Maybe it goes that way. That's a brick. You can see how thick the concrete is underneath that. Okay, so these are the pipes that we took out. You go ahead and look down. There's two terracotta elbows that were down in that hole. Okay, you can show them the hole. And they were covered in concrete basically. They were actually covered in blue slag, but that's as hard as concrete. And so we had to break that pad off of the top of them. And basically that hole, the entire hole that's missing there was a concrete, like, encasing the pipes. So now that that is out like that, we're going to dig a trench that depth from there all the way over to the corner over there where the water's coming in. And that is going to be an inside French drain. We're actually going to dig all at the footer on that side of the house. And that will catch all the water, take it out away from the foundation, out of the basement. It'll get covered in, everything will get covered back in concrete, which will seal the moisture down. And in the summer, especially when it stops raining, it'll dry up real nice. And that was tough. That was dirty. I don't know that that was very dangerous. You didn't get to see me use the Sawzall. I did use a Sawzall. That's kind of dangerous. And Zoe helped me a little bit. That's really dangerous. And sorry for the dishwasher. That's what we're doing. I'll show them we put planks down so you can walk over the ditch until I come back, because that's all we're doing today. That's it. Just that little hole of concrete just dug out of there with, so that's, we'll see you next time on Dangerous Home Improvement. Come on, like and subscribe, damn it. How are you going to know when I put out a new video if you just randomly only click every once in a while? You should definitely be a subscriber. I would really appreciate it. Please, 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 please. I need to get to 1,000 subscribers so that I can get monetized. So once I get monetized, I'll put up a video and you can unsubscribe. You'd be like, that bitch got her monetized. She don't need my subscription anymore. And I will be happy. So